If your OneDrive is running low on space, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to free up space on OneDrive quickly and safely. We'll cover the easiest ways to remove unnecessary files, empty the recycle bin, move files to your PC, and check how much storage you still have left. This is a simple method that can help you clear clutter, keep your cloud storage organized, and avoid hitting your storage limit. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open OneDrive Web in your browser and sign in with the Microsoft account that's connected to your OneDrive storage. Once you're signed in, go to My Files. This is where all of your saved cloud files are stored, and it's the best place to start when you want to free up space. Now take a careful look through your files and folders. The goal here is to remove anything you no longer need. That can include older videos, large zip files, backup folders, duplicate files, or photos and folders you've already saved somewhere else. If you haven't used a file in a long time, or if it takes up a lot of space and you don't need it in the cloud anymore, select it. You can choose one file at a time or select multiple items together to save time. Once you've selected the unnecessary files, click Delete. This removes them from your OneDrive storage and moves them to the recycle bin. That's an important step because deleting files from My Files alone does not always free up space right away until the recycle bin is cleared. Next, go to the left sidebar and click Recycle Bin. This is where deleted files are temporarily stored before they're permanently removed. If you really want to reclaim storage, you need to empty this folder too. So, once you're inside the recycle bin, click Empty Recycle Bin. Confirm the action if prompted, and OneDrive will permanently delete those files, immediately freeing up more space. Now let's look at another smart way to free space on OneDrive. If you have files that you still want to keep, but they don't need to live in the cloud, move them to your PC instead. To do that, press Windows+E to open File Explorer. Then open your OneDrive folder on your computer. Find the files you want to move, select them, and use Ctrl+X to cut them. After that, paste them into a normal folder on your computer, such as Documents, Downloads, or even a separate drive like your D drive using Ctrl+V. This is a very useful method because it removes the files from OneDrive cloud storage while still keeping them saved on your computer. So if you don't need cloud backup for certain files, moving them locally is a great way to reduce OneDrive usage without losing your data. After cleaning up files, it's a good idea to check your storage usage so you can see how much space you've actually recovered. Open the Microsoft Storage dashboard in your browser and review the remaining storage space. This gives you a clear picture of how full your OneDrive is and helps you decide whether you need to remove more files or simply keep things organized going forward. If you still need extra space after cleaning up, Microsoft also gives you the option to buy more storage. On the storage page, click Get More Storage or look at Microsoft 365 plans. From there, you can choose a storage plan that fits your needs. But for most people, deleting unneeded files and emptying the recycle bin is enough to free up a good amount of space. And that's it. You now know how to free up space on OneDrive by deleting unnecessary files, emptying the recycle bin, moving files to your PC, and checking your storage usage. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.